So once this is combined, we will set this aside, and then we will do the wet ingredients. So I hope you can follow with me, guys. So these are the dry ingredients. So now we will do the wet ingredients, guys. Beat the egg slightly. This is 1 egg. Yeah, this is the 1 egg, and then we'll start to beat it, guys. This is 3/4 cup of milk, the oil, which is 1/3 cup of the oil. I am using olive oil, guys, and adding 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. So this is vanilla. So this, and now I am going to add the mashed bananas. This is 1 cup, guys, mashed banana. These are the pre-mixed flour that I did, the combined flour and dry ingredients. And I also have prepared already, guys, my line tin for this muffin. So now we are going to fill in the muffin, right? I am putting it in now to the oven, and I'm gonna bake it for 18 to 20 minutes. So this is now my finished product, guys. After 20 minutes, it's already done. So this is it. We will have a try, maybe one of this when it's already a bit cooler. So I will show you that. Oh, It's very yummy, guys. Let's enjoy. Thank you for watching my video, guys.